No idea what to talk about in your videos? No problem. In this video, I am breaking down January video ideas for you that you can use for your video marketing content. I break these ideas down in 3 different ways. The first is on monthly events. So these are things that are happening month long in the month of January. Then I also break them down by date specific events. So like New Year's, stuff like that. So date specific. And then I also talk about general topics, themes, and ideas that you could use for your videos in the month of January. Welcome back to all my Holly G's VIPs. If you are new to me, my name is Holly G. I am your go-to video gal, and I help leading ladies save time on both sides of the camera. And I do this by teaching them the skills they need to create not just video, but business cinema, which is video with a plan, a purpose, a system, and a strategy. And if you want to learn more about business cinema, come on over to hollygstudios.com. Don't worry about going and grabbing a pen and paper. I have got you covered, not only for the month of January, but for all of 2020. I have a downloadable free for you workbook that breaks down all the ideas for every month for 2020, along with the topics and some other fun stuff I've included in there for you. You get it all for free. So make sure to click the link below if you want to check that out. If you have January video ideas, I would love to hear what those are. Go ahead and jot them down in the comments below. Also, let me know what idea that I share in this video resonates the most with you. So first, let's cover the monthly events for January. So January is the first month of the year. Generally, people are thinking about their New Year's resolutions, their previous year, what they liked, what they didn't like, what they want to change, what they're looking forward to in this next year. It's a little of metamorphosis. How can I make this year better than last year? So a lot of focus on planning, resolutions, goal setting. So any type of content like that is going to do really well in January. Some other monthly events that you may want to focus on during the month of January are National Clean Your Computer Up Month. I totally need to clean my computer. Can you say a digi detox, anybody? So if this is like your zone of genius, I would actually love to see this video. So if you make it about digital detoxing and how to kind of clean up your desktop and all of the things, tag me because I want to watch it. It's also Family Fit Month. So if you are in the fitness realm, maybe you want to, take advantage of that and create some family fit videos that you can share with your audience. Okay, on to some specific dates. So specific dates in January, we have obviously January 1st, which is New Year's Day, AKA National Hangover Day. I wonder why. Then January 13th is Make Your Dreams Come True Day. I'd like to make my dreams come true. I don't know about you. Would you like to make your dreams come true? For all my copywriters and writers out there, January 18th is Thesaurus Day, so you can riff off that for some ideas. And January 28th is Fun at Work Day. So tons of other stuff inside of the 2020 Video Ideas Workbook. If you want to check that out, go ahead and click the link below to access that free download. Now on to contents, ideas, and themes specific for the month of January. So maybe you want to share your 2020 plans or your predictions for 2020 or where you see things going in your industry, your field, or your niche. Another thing that you can do is instead of looking forward, you can look back and reflect on the year that has just happened and or the decade since we're hitting 2020. I can't even believe it, but we are about to hit 2020. So maybe you want to look back on the last 10 years and reflect on that and use that as inspiration to create some content. January is the first month of the year, so it's also a great time to start a 365 project or to announce something new that's happening. So maybe take a look at those 2 things as well. And if you need help fleshing out your video scripts, I have another free downloadable for you, the video script formula that I use when I'm creating videos. It is Thriller, Filler, Spiller. That's also a free download. The link is in the description below. You can check that out. It is a great partner for the Video Ideas Workbook, so they work really well together. You can plan out all your videos in a matter of hours. And if you're looking for some more help planning your videos, come on over to Holly G Studios. I would be happy to help you flesh out your video ideas and create a custom strategy just for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. And if you know somebody else who might like this video, go ahead and share it up. And remember, you are someone's reason to smile, so don't give up.